Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Today we're going to look into Bitcoin because Bitcoin has officially broken out of the symmetrical triangle that we were looking at in yesterday's video. So if you guys want to trade this with me, you want to trade this setup, you know what to do. Use the link in the description. You get a free $300 when you do sign up to Blowfin through my link. But let's get into the video, guys. Now, Bitcoin officially has rejected off this previous support, now turning into resistance, guys. Where should we be expecting this move to be taking us? Well, if we use the fibs, the next level of support is going to be down here at this previous swing low, which is 64k, right? If not, then we're coming back down to 62k. You got the 1618 target at 56k. And something that we measured up yesterday was the triangle's pattern breakdown. Target from here to here, that would be perfectly in line with the 1618. So if we get confirmed closes now, not only on the 4 hourly, but on the daily as well, then we should be going for much lower prices at some point over the next week. So I'm personally going to be entering short. I'm going to enter short with a very tight stop loss back in this range, right? So it's probably going to be like a 5% stop loss. So if something happens and we invalidate, then we got a stop loss probably somewhere around here. So around 3%. If we're using 5x leverage, then 15% risk. We can get a close back down to these range lows, you know, with 5x leverage, 10% all the way back down here is going to be 25%. And then you're looking at maybe like a 60% return on a short position. And again, you know, this is just what I'm doing. You guys don't have to do this. This is not financial advice. You don't have to copy me, but this is where I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to be going in the coming days. Now, another thing I wanted to cover was this. Now, shout out Jay Smith, because, you know, you're one of the channel OGs, been here with me for ages, but I think he echoes a lot of you guys' thoughts and opinions on the channel, right? Ask me if I watch the House of Crypto 300k subs, pretty sure we're near the bottom. Now, as much as I like the House of Crypto, just because someone has 300k subs doesn't mean that they're going to be spot on with every prediction. I've watched him for years before I started my channel, and, you know, he's not been one of the people that have got things absolutely perfect every single time. When people say, you know, many like myself are now bearish, you know, I'm not now bearish. I was bearish from the end of last year when I started making bearish videos here and there. It's only that now that the price has gone that way, people are starting to pay attention to it, guys. Okay, so, you know, I agree that probably Q4 will find the absolute bottom somewhere around October, which I've been going on with you guys, you know, going on to you guys about for ages. And yeah, realistically, no one really knows. And just because we had no alt season doesn't mean that Bitcoin couldn't go through a cycle. You know, this cycle has proved that an alt season is not essential to Bitcoin cycle. Alt season occurs when we have that rotation from Bitcoin into things like Ethereum, and then as we move on into your total 3 and your others. Okay, but we didn't really have that rotation. We had an early rotation, probably because we had an early top or an early new high for Bitcoin, right? So we didn't get that late rotation out in the cycle, but it's not essential for Bitcoin to print new all-time highs, right? The others don't need to pump for Bitcoin to pump. But for the others to pump, we need Bitcoin to bottom, okay? So that's why I've not really been going ham on the altcoins right now, and I won't be accumulating altcoins really until I feel like Bitcoin has bottomed somewhere around here, or somewhere around here in the year, right? And when I feel like I've got a pretty good altcoin bag, a pretty good Bitcoin bag, sorry. Okay, so even if we come back down to these lows, we go sideways all the way until the end of summer, we have some counter-trend rallies, come back down, somewhere like around here would be where I'll be buying my Bitcoin again. And then as we get a confirmed breakout and, you know, we start to target these previous range highs and we break back above them, then I can look at whether or not I want to be allocating into altcoins right now or at that time, guys. So that's kind of what the plan is. But for now, short-term time frame, we were expecting a dump for Bitcoin. Been saying it for the past like 2-3 days that I'm expecting lower prices, and now it looks like we're getting our first daily candle close outside of this pattern. So not something to be ignored another way that we can look at this as well is if we look at this on horizontals, then boom, probably come back down to around 65.2k, and we'll see how this support level does hold up, guys. Okay, so just a quick one from me to you today. We'll look at some other coins later on today as well for all of you guys who want that. But if you find the video useful, you know to like the video and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.